In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you all the tips and hacks on how to use this gun gum and even the pricing. So stay tuned and watch till the end of this video. Thank you. So actually, this is the smaller size of this gun gum. That is actually a bigger size. This uses very low energy and it is used for gumming your embellishment or whatever you have, your accessories, your sewing accessories to your dress, and it's very easy to use. It doesn't consume so much energy and it's easy. Okay, so stay tuned and watch me as I show you how to use this. This is very easy. It makes you to buy less gum because it depends on how much work you're doing on the fabric. There might be need for you to use this one other than the normal gum that we'll buy. Okay, so this is actually the gum and it's very easy. It uses this little candle wax, while the medium size uses the big size uses a bigger candle. Okay, so this is how I'll be inserting this into the gum very easily. And once it is inserted, you can now plug the head of this gun to the socket and it heats up. Okay, but before it heats up, you have to switch it on. All right. So I'll quickly insert this again so you see it. Okay, just see the way I inserted it. I squeezed it in. I didn't just push it. I was squeezing it so that it goes in easily. And I'll plug it in. Just I'm not showing the socket. Just plug it in. It's easy to plug in. Then you will now on it because there's actually a switch. Okay, so I already put on the switch and that's why the light is bright. So you put on your switch. Don't forget to put on your switch because if you leave it there without putting on your switch, you'll be wasting a lot of time. Okay, so because when you put it on and switch it on, it will start heating up. It will heat up. Please, I must tell you, one of the secrets and the hacks or tips of using this particular gun is that you have to wait for it to be properly heated. If you use it when the heat is not very hot, it will go more, but it will not be very stiff. Okay, it will not be very hard and it will not give you what you want. So you must make sure that it's properly heated up. All right, very easy to use, and you can see me doing it. Now, the second tip about this is that you don't put this gum and take a lot of time before placing it on your fabric because the longer you stay, the longer it hardens up, and once it hardens up, it spoils. Okay, so you have to put it on top of your fabric very quickly once you have gummed it carefully. Okay. Now press it down properly, okay, and then you can actually use your gun to put on the remaining finishing, okay, very another tip, okay, rather the third tip is to ensure that you have a surface where you are placing this gun on top of. Just like you can see me, I have a surface I'm placing it on top of. If not, it will leak out the candle wax on your fabric. Okay, the fourth one is that whenever you are taking it out, there will be remnants. Be careful so that it doesn't leak on your dress. I hope that's clear. This is very easy to use. So you can hear the 4 tips I gave you, or 5 tips now I gave you on using this gun. It's very easy to use. So use it, try it out, and tell me what you think about the gum. Did it make your work easier? Did it make it neater? Was it more economical? Let me know in the comment section. And for the pricing, okay, it's actually sold for 2,500 naira for this in my side, for this particular size, and for the bigger size 4,000 naira. Okay, so whichever one you want to go for is still the same pattern, and the way is still the same way to use it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on Let's Fit Designs. Bye.